Looking to build a website in 2025? Here is how you can get started. In today's world, your website is your digital storefront. It builds trust, works non-stop, and turns clicks into customers. Start strong with a plan. Know your goal, understand your audience, and map out essential pages for a smooth user journey. Pick your platform wisely. Go AI-powered CMS for speed and flexibility, or choose Raybit's custom-coded solution for full control and future growth. Good design is functional and beautiful. Keep it clean, easy to navigate, and true to your brand. Your modern stack, simplified. Front end with HTML, CSS, React, Next.js, back end powered by Node and Express, data stored in MongoDB or MySQL, everything you need to build a fast, scalable website. Your website needs to work seamlessly on all devices, load quickly, and be designed with SEO in mind. These key features are critical for user satisfaction and search engine rankings. Content is king. Use headlines that grab, images that wow, and CTAs that guide users to act. Optimize for search. Start with solid keyword research, nail your on-page and off-page tactics, and lock in the technical SEO. Before launch, test on every device, verify speed and SEO, and lock down security. Launch time. Select a top-tier host, connect your domain, and secure everything with SSL. After launch, track performance with analytics, keep content fresh, and rely on Raybit for ongoing support. Choose Raybit for custom-fit solutions, a skilled team with real-world experience, and lightning-fast, secure, future-ready websites. Ready to build your website? Partner with Raybit Technologies. Let's make it happen. Contact us to get started. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with us online, and we'll see you in the next video.